Are ready-made snacks actually healthy for fertility? Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Now let's be honest, we all love to snack, especially when we're at work or traveling. Those ready-to-eat snacks look very tempting. But if you're someone planning a pregnancy or just trying to stay hormonally healthy, have you ever wondered, are any of these ready-made snacks actually good for fertility? Let's try to understand that today. So your snack choices do matter. Let's find out why. Because of our reproductive hormones. Estrogen, progesterone, insulin all respond to what we eat. Highly processed snacks loaded with refined carbs, sugars, trans fats cause inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage egg and sperm quality. So the goal is to choose snacks that are nutrient rich, low in sugar and high in good fats and proteins, because your reproductive cells thrive on real nutrition. They do well only on real nutrition. There are healthier ready to eat options, and which are on the go or store bought snacks that can support your fertility goals instead of harming them. Roasted chickpeas, now chana or lentil snacks is what they are sold as. These are rich in plant protein, fiber, iron, and they help keep your blood sugar stable and improve energy without added sugar. Unsalted mixed nuts and seeds packs are also good. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, zinc and selenium, all which are vital for sperm and egg quality. Just ensure they are roasted, not fried or sugar coated. Dark chocolate, which is above 70% cocoa, also is very good. In small amounts, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and magnesium. It boosts mood and reduces stress hormones that interfere with fertility. Greek yogurt or unsweetened yogurt is also very good, packed with probiotics and calcium. It supports gut health, which is closely linked to hormone balance. Choose plain versions and top them with fruits or nuts. Whole grains or multigrain crackers with hummus. This combo offers complex carbs and proteins, keeping insulin levels steady. Try brands with minimal preservatives and natural ingredients. Then there are vegetable and sprout salads, which are pre-packed and have no mayonnaise. Many stores now offer fresh salad bowls. Just don't do too much of dressing. Greens like spinach or kale add folate, which supports egg development. Fresh coconut water or cold pressed juices are also very good. Avoid sugary sodas or energy drinks. Coconut water hydrates and provides electrolytes naturally, so choose that. So what should you avoid? Fried chips, instant noodles, bakery items or sugary energy bars. They may look harmless but contain trans fat, preservatives and hidden sugars that can cause inflammation and hormonal imbalance. Avoid snacks labeled as low fat. They often have more sugar. Skip protein bars with long ingredient lists. The more chemicals you see, the less nutrition you get. So, when in doubt, choose snacks that look like real food. Roasted nuts, fruits, yogurt or boiled eggs. Carry small Ziploc packs of healthy options in your bag. Your hormones love consistency, not sugar spikes. So yes, not all ready-made snacks are bad. If you choose wisely, you can enjoy convenience and support your fertility. Remember, what you eat between your meals often matters as much as your main meals. Stay mindful, stay nourished, and your body will thank you later. Thank you.